The Apple 4K TV with a completely redesigned Siri remote. It lets you watch movies and shows in amazing 4K HDR quality and immersive sound with Dolby Atmos. The combination of its powerful 812 Bionic chip, intuitive tvOS experience, and all the best content transforms your living room into an entertainment powerhouse with TV shows, movies, sports, news, music, games, apps, and much more. Apple TV 4K is the perfect big screen companion for iPhone and all your favorite Apple devices. A12 Bionic chip with 64-bit architecture delivers up to 50% more graphic performance than the previous Apple TV 4K. It contains 32 gigabytes of storage, which means you can download apps and games for the whole family. Its Wi-Fi 6 compatibility with MIMO simultaneous dual band improves the quality and speed of the TV. Bluetooth 5.0 wireless technology helps connect Apple TV with Siri remote and game controllers. The Thread wireless mesh technology helps connect smart home devices to the Apple TV. 4K offers 4 times the pixels of standard HD for sharper pictures and text. Its high dynamic range and Dolby Vision support delivers brighter, more realistic color with greater details. The high frame rate HDR allows videos to play more smoothly and appear more lifelike than ever before. High performance video scaler makes HD content look great. The innovative color balance process uses advanced sensors in iPhone to allow Apple TV to automatically adjust its video output to deliver more accurate colors. Dolby Atmos support delivers 3-dimensional sound that flows through your room. Share a private listening experience with up to 2 AirPods. Enjoy great content from apps like Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, Disney+, HBO Max, and ESPN. Go to the link below and get it only for $175 today.